In this video, I'll show you how to use best practices for calendar view in ClickUp. Calendar view in ClickUp is useful when you want to see your tasks, deadlines, meetings, content plans, launches, and project timelines in a visual schedule. Instead of only viewing tasks as a list, calendar view helps you understand what is happening by day, week, or month. First, open ClickUp and go to the space, folder, or list where your tasks are located. Then choose Calendar View from the available views. If you do not see it, click Add View, select Calendar, and save it. Next, make sure your tasks have due dates. Calendar View works best when tasks include clear dates, because tasks without dates may not appear on the calendar. For better planning, add both start dates and due dates when a task takes more than one day. A good practice is to use statuses and priorities together with calendar view. For example, high priority tasks should be easy to spot, while completed tasks should be clearly marked. This helps you understand what needs attention first. You can also use filters to keep your calendar clean. Filter by assignee, priority, status, tag, or custom field, so you only see the tasks that matter. For example, you can show only your own tasks, only marketing tasks, or only tasks due this week. Another helpful tip is to avoid overcrowding your calendar. If every small task is added, the calendar can become difficult to read. Use Calendar View mainly for deadlines, scheduled work, important milestones, and time-sensitive tasks. You can drag and drop tasks to reschedule them quickly. This is useful when priorities change or deadlines move. Finally, review your calendar at the start of each week. Check upcoming deadlines, adjust overloaded days, and make sure important tasks are scheduled realistically. Using Calendar View properly helps you plan ahead, stay organized, and manage your workload with more confidence. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.